What is going on, guys? Vitaly Dubin is here, founder and creator of Bitcoin's Walls Club system. We're about to get started our Today in Crypto show. Some very cool stuff happening in the market. As you can see, it is starting to turn bullish again today. It's a pretty awesome day. So tune in for our daily live cryptocurrency news, what's going on in the crypto markets. So let's get started, guys. As you can see, the market added several $billion from the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is trading at $6,574, up 1.12%. And it is today's 10th anniversary for Bitcoin, guys. Woohoo! What I mean by 10th anniversary? Well, 2008 in October, that's when Satoshi Nakamoto first published his white paper telling the world, hey, Bitcoin is here, it's going to conquer the world, it's going to fight the good fight for the banks and the governments and take control back to people's hand over their money and create this peer-to-peer transactions. And it's taking this in the world in storm today. And we're celebrating today the 10th anniversary for Bitcoin, and it's definitely had some major fights and big moves over the last 10 years, as you will see shortly in the charts. What Bitcoin was able to accomplish in the last 10 years is nothing more than remarkable. And I think we're just in the beginning. In Bitcoin can definitely reach even $40,000 even this year, 2018, with all the new institutional money that is coming from investors. There's about 645 million investors that still are not in crypto that are going to be in crypto, and the world is gradually awakening to this reality that it is way better form of money and store of value, and overall, you know, this technology is absolutely awesome for money, global money needs in the world. So a lot of projects today are gaining. We are seeing anywhere from 20% on, this is the top 100 coins, Noah coin 20%, 15% Eternal token, 30% Aurora, 10% Sia coin, which is awesome, 8% for Tron. A lot of the coins are in the green, as you can see. Very small amounts are in the red. So it's all about getting the right, you know, if you're a trader, you can gain 5-10% a day easily like this if you are, you know, watching the markets and stuff like that, even on a daily basis. If you're not a trader, you can certainly enjoy the benefits of the crypto rise. And as Bitcoin has been pretty much, if we take a look at the charts, Bitcoin has been raging in a very tight range over here, you know, in a very tight range. Especially the volatility is getting lower and lower and lower, and that just means, guys, like I told before, it is the silence before the big storm, right? Because this right here is going to break out in one direction or another, right? It can go down, it can go up, but most likely it's going to go up based on a lot of the technical analysis factor, which we're not going to get into, but analysts agree on that most likely it's going to go up. And from this place that Bitcoin is trading right now in a very tight range, it's kind of getting this energy to be released. And when this energy will be released, when Bitcoin is going to make its big move, a lot of the other coins are going to follow suit. You know, Bitcoin is highly correlated with other cryptocurrencies. Everything is going to go up, right? So it is about being there at the right time. Now, it might happen that shortly, temporarily, you know, money will flock into Bitcoin and prices of other coins will go down while the price of Bitcoin can go up. That can happen too, but only to a point, to a degree, until the altcoin season starts, and then all the other altcoins are going to shoot, they're going to skyrocket. So that's why I need to have some knowledge and experience in the cryptocurrency trade and understand the market a little bit better. What is today on the news? Well, first of all, let's discuss the 10-year anniversary from pizza to Lambos, right? What 10,000 Bitcoins could buy you back then? What can buy you today? 10,000 Bitcoins, actually the first transactions that ever happened on the Bitcoin network when the programmer Laszlo Haynes, paid it for 2 pizzas. And later on, as time slowly started to go and get tractions, you could buy an iPad, 32 gigabytes for $729. Then you could buy 1 ounce of gold in 2010. Transactions top $1 million. We have 1 Berkshire Hathaway Class A share that you can buy at $114,000. As time moves on, you can buy a Tesla Model T. Then we have transaction top 100 million. You can buy a ranch worth 10.8 million. Then it got down from this point, so you can buy $3.2 million for a Superman book. Then 2 special edition Lamborghini Centurions, $1.29 million in 2016. You could have bought with the 10,000 Bitcoin. $17.8 million Rolex watch. And last year, $186 million Mark Rothko number 6. I don't know why would anybody pay $186 million for a painting. Come on, guys, now. And this year, you could buy a yacht worth $87 million and Lockheed Martin jet worth $94.6 million from the first transaction. So definitely way more than 2 pizzas, right? That's how Bitcoin has been progressing over the years, and it has its ups and downs. It's been crashed by 7 times and lost its value by 60, 70, 80, sometimes 90% of its value. And it always came back. What's cool about Bitcoin, always came back even higher than that. And I encourage you to watch, go on YouTube and watch Tika Tiwari and the Future of Bitcoin. He recently was doing a presentation there in Russia with BitFury about the coming type of institutional money, and he was talking specifically about ICE and backed platform that he believes will push the prices higher, and the CBOE ETF and stuff like that, and why the big institutional investors are going to flock into Bitcoin. So watch this video. It'll give you some confidence about what is coming. And of course, there is no guarantee that Bitcoin will come to 40,000 this year, but can it go to 40,000 next year? I believe so, absolutely. And you can actually profit from all the way, guys, from all the way to the top, right? From all the way from here, wherever it's going to do its moves, you can profit from that. Okay, you can profit from that. Whatever it's going to do, when it's going to up, you're going to sell. When it's going to down, you're going to buy, so you can profit along the way. And we teach that how inside Bitcoin's Wealth Club. So very, very exciting stuff. What else is on the news? We see blockchain manufacturing market will be worth $500 million by 2025. So a lot of the industries, industrial, automotive, pharmaceutical, aerospace, defense, foods and beverage, textile, clothing, other sectors, they're entering the blockchain space. They're actively working on solutions. Blockchain as a service solution for business is going to grow to $500 million by the year 2025, according to reports. We're seeing the Gemini Winklevoss twin brothers. They secured insurance coverage for custodian assets, which is great because more custodians solutions for institutional investors that are backed by that are insured, that is very good for Bitcoin. So it's bullish news for Bitcoin because more institutions are going to be willing to give the Gemini their money in exchange for their storing Bitcoin for them. We're seeing Tron project that bought recently for $120 million BitTorrent is now going to start rewarding the seeders of those file sharing company BitTorrent that has 100 million active users today, monthly active users. They're going to be rewarded for seeding the content with cryptocurrency. I think it will be Tron. Surprise, surprise. With their project Atlas Reveals. And this is, of course, Tim Draper, the legendary investor into Bitcoin that holds, a lot of money in Bitcoin, and the Tron founder. So It's exciting times for the BitTorrent network. If it's going to obviously help BitTorrent to help the files, because incentives are great. In cryptocurrency, it will attract more users into that. Mike Novogratz again changing his views on Bitcoin. This time he's selling Bitcoin will not break $9,000 this year. And he said last year it will be $45,000 within 12 months. He changed his mind now. Now, I don't know, Mike, if you are going to be right on this one or not. If it's going to be 9,000, so it be this year. I'll not be sad about it, right? It's still above what it is right now, but I think it's going to be higher than that. We have, according to the price analysis, again, we are seeing it more bullish news, breakout attempt. It's more on the bullish side. And what else? We have this startup, King, who's raised $1.7 million, and they're going to invest into Lightning Network, which is a second layer security, second layer solution for making Bitcoin faster transactions. So I believe that right now $700,000 worth of Bitcoin is tied up to the Lightning Network, and I believe that it's going to be way bigger than that next year, and we'll see more people using the Lightning Network, and it will speed up everything. It will speed up everything. So those are the major news for today that I have for you. If you have not studied the training we have inside Bitcoin's Wealth Club, I highly encourage you to do so, and watch the training webinar that I've done about smart trading strategies, because I share with you exactly what I'm doing and what is a very good approach to trading crypto to minimize risk and maximize profits using all kinds of cool tools that you can utilize in technology today that will help you with trading. And just today I have 7, 8, 10% on my recent trades, which I'm very happy about, that I can close right now, or I can wait a little bit more for profits. So looking forward, guys, for the next live update, and everybody have a fantastic rest of the day and a fantastic